Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a tutorial of how to unsuspend your Twitter account without appeal. If your Twitter account is suspended and you want to try it fixing without filing an appeal, you want to start by logging to your account and carefully reviewing the suspension. Then notice to understand what rule you may have been triggered. Next, remove any recent tweets, replies, or retweets that could be flagged or spam, automation, sensitive content, or policy violations by accessing your account through a web browser if possible. Then, verify your account details by adding or confirming your phone number and email address, and change your password to show account security activity. Avoid any aggressive actions like mass following, liking, or posting for at least 24 to 48 hours. In some cases, Twitter automatically lifts temporary or limited suspension once the system detects compliance, so staying inactive and compliant is key.